Guys, if you like making money, which I know you do not want to miss this one. Welcome to the Mr. Bubbles channel, where we dish out awesome pressure washing business advice to beginners. I wanted to give a quick update for you guys that follow the Mr. Bubbles channel. We're exactly 1 week away from launching our new series. The series is going to be episode 80 all the way through episode 90, and we're going to be doing something that, I'll be honest with you, it's the one thing that you guys ask me the most, and that is, like, for example, how to plumb a tank, everything having to do with a build. And we're doing a complete trailer build. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up your marketing on your trailer, how to set up your buffer tank, including plumbing it properly, how to set up a bypass line for your unloader valve, all of that good stuff. I'm going to show you guys from the very beginning all the way to the end. We're going to film this thing with like 4 or 5 different cameras, including a GoPro, so you guys are going to get to see all the different angles. But I wanted to tell you guys something, and this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. All of you guys already know that, you know, I offer memberships on my channel. In order for you to become a VIP member of the Mr. Bubbles Army, all you have to do is hit that join button right below this video, each one of my videos. The thing about it is this, guys. We're really building here, Mr. Bubbles, a virtual trade school for you guys, and the tuition to that virtual trade school, when you join my channel, it's $5 a month. But I mean, guys, really, what are we talking about here? $5 a month for you to learn things like, for example, how to optimize your Google My Business, how to get customers for your Google My Business, the type of pricing and how to quote jobs, all of the good stuff that you're going to need to be able to run a profitable pressure washing business. And by the way, when you become a member, you're going to have access to some awesome perks, like you're going to have specialized ID badges for the comment section. You're going to be able to download all the Mr. Bubbles emojis. Of course, you're going to be able to have access to all of our videos, the full library of Mr. Bubbles videos. And the most important perk of all, guys, you're going to be able to network with guys like me and other professionals in the industry all throughout the country. And guess what, guys? Guess what? Episode 90 of that series is going to be when we actually take that rig out into the field and use it, but it's going to be for only members only. That's going to be a members only video. So in order, again, guys, you guys been watching my episodes ever since the beginning, watching my channel. You know that I don't actually ask you guys for a whole heck of a lot. But this, I'm asking you guys to make sure you hit that join button. It's important to me because it helps the channel out. Because we just hired an editor. Ever since we started Mr. Bubbles channel, we have a guy that does our thumbnails. So when you guys become members, it helps us out to pay payroll and all of that stuff, and for us to invest in better equipment and things of that nature. So there you have it, guys. I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate you guys that are members. And if you're not, again, make sure you guys smash that join button, and I'll see you guys on the VIP side. Bubbles out.